everyone, we are the team Sāmanata. I am Ronit.
I'm Nihal.
And I'm Manasvi. We are studying in grade 7 at Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysuru.
The theme we have chosen is education, and our problem statement is innovate to help special needs children learn effectively.
Our project aims at creating a platform for inclusive education teachers and parents of special needs children to share their difficulties in handling special needs children and consult experts in solving these issues. The website also has a video sharing option which can help experts to analyze the situation and give solutions. Inclusive education is a type of education where children with special needs and normal children study together. Inclusive education is based on the principle of togetherness, equality, participation, and acceptance.
Based on the interviews conducted with students of special needs and their educators, as well as normal education teachers and child psychologists, we understood that inclusive education is a way of thinking about how to be creative and how to make a school a place where all children can participate. These interactions gave us motivation in coming up with a website called Sāmanata. The website that we have created supports teachers and parents of special needs children. Here, they can share difficult experiences with experts. The experts can give solutions based on the inputs provided by the teachers and parents. The inputs can be in the form of media files also. The experts team comprises of members with many years of expertise in various fields related to special needs education. 1. The website has 5 major screens: home, about, experts, blog, and chat.
2. The website has different sign-up page for teachers, parents, and experts. Once the account is created, teachers and parents can log in into their account and post their questions in the chat page. They can even choose an expert based on the expertise by using the drop-down box and ask questions or share problems for which they need an answer or solution.
Here is an example of a teacher facing difficulties in an inclusive classroom while teaching a student with learning disability of ASD, and how she uses Sāmanata website for assistance. The G20 countries represent the world's largest economy. While education policy is primarily the responsibility of individual countries, the G20 has recognized the importance of inclusive education. Here are some examples taken by G20 countries towards inclusive education.
The online tool we've used to develop our website is www.wix.com. All three of us equally contributed to the website development.
I added major elements to the website and developed the website.
I helped Nihal and did the documentation.
I researched about inclusive education and developed the research document.
Thank you.